And in 2015, the projection it will be triple, $150 million. But the main problems with this banner ads is first, it's very intrusive. If you think about that, you play a game, it's always there. You cannot read of it. There is a lot of click forwards. People just click it accidentally. And from the developer point of view, tomorrow is going to be a developer day. They really don't get enough money, and it's quite problematic. Some definition, we will go over it, and let's start with our story. Begin in somewhere in July 2011 when we work as a company, a project company. We were building apps and games for our customers. We did some for ourselves, but most of our revenue come from a project company. And I was meeting the VP marketing of the biggest retailer company in Israel called Delek Menta. They have more than 180 convenience stores in their fuel station. And I come to him and I tell him, take me, we will create a great app, we are the best. And he was smiling. I guess he saw my previous slide, because he told me that in the last 10 days, he was seeing like 10 companies like me, and everybody told him, we are the best, take us, and stuff like that. And he told me, listen, I have two requirements. If you accomplish that, you get the project. One is I don't want to create a brand app just to be in the App Store or Google Market, because my competitors is there. I don't care. I want to bring customers into my 180 stores. I want to convert this online traffic you all geeks talk about and convert it to offline bill transaction. This is what I need. And the second one, it's very common in Israel. I don't have much money to pay you. I have $10,000 to create this app, and I give you $10,000 more to promote it. And that was his conditions. And what we did is we back to our office. Sorry. Okay. And we found the solution. We come and we presented the presentation. We told them, we've got an idea for you. What we're going to make,